Hello, and I welcome you to this video where I will share with you a simple and powerful tool. This tool is offered by Gaugan Nvidia. Let's begin with the video. In the search box type Nvidia Gaugan. Over here, click on the first link. This is a painting tool. This tool allows you to draw simple shapes and it turns shapes into realistic images and scenes. This is a painting tool where you can create backgrounds quickly, explore your concept and visualize ideas on your canvas. Now let's get started with the painting tool offered by Nvidia Gaugan. First, to the right side, to the right top corner, click on these three dots. Below is a zoom option. Use minus sign to make text smaller. I will make it up to 80%. You can also keep it up to 90%. Full screen is also available. You can also use full screen as you desire. To exit, use F11 or this close option. Use this zoom option. This will help you to view all your options available in Nvidia tool. So on the top is the brush color. You can see this indicates your brush color. Then here is the brush shape. There are three shapes available: circle, square and diamond. Third option is brush size. You can increase and decrease size of the brush as per requirement. Towards the left side, here is the left panel with four options. First is building. Under building, there are more options: bridge, fence, house and etc. Second is ground option. Under ground, options are dirt, gravel, ground, other, mud and more options are available. Third is the landscape. Again, under landscape, there are more options like clouds, fog, hill, mountain and such others. And the last option is plant, which includes bush, flower, grass, tree, straw and wood. With this tool, you can create stunning sunsets, landscapes, snow-covered peaks, lakes and many more. Next to this panel are all tools available. First is the new option. You can choose a new canvas. Second is the brush option. Third is fill color option. Fourth is pick color option as in paint application. And the last is undo option. So these are the tools available. Then comes the canvas. This is the canvas area where you can paint. Then comes the convert button. This is the button which converts your brush strokes into incredible images and scenes. Here is the download option. Next, below this canvas, below the canvas area is gallery of Nvidia. You can also paint using one of these scenes available in the Nvidia gallery. Scroll down. Down is upload option. First is upload segmentation map. Second is landscape images and third is custom style filter. To upload image, you need landscape image. Click on browse. To select image, select your image. For example, I will select one landscape. Next step is click on upload. And after upload, use this convert button to convert the uploaded image. And this is the uploaded landscape image. You can also use any other image from your gallery as well. Scroll down below. Gaugan is now available as a desktop application. And the name of the application is Nvidia Canvas. And here is the link available to download desktop application. Before using this application, select this. Check this box if you agree to the terms and conditions described below. Below are some terms and conditions of the tool. Next is privacy policy and below are some hotkeys and instructions of Nvidia. Now let's learn how to draw on this canvas. You can choose any one of the scene from the given gallery, or you can even draw your visualized ideas. I will paint one over here. So this first option works as a new page, or it also clears all the drawing on the canvas. Select brush to draw. Here I will choose plant. Under plant, grass. I will use this pick color option to pick color, green color for the grass, and use fill color to fill the color. Next, choose brush to paint. Under plant, I will choose bush. Again, I will use pick color to pick the bush color and fill it with fill color tool. Under plant, I want flowers. Choose brush. You can use undo option. Next step is to convert. Use the convert button. After convert also, you can make changes in the painting. Click to convert. In this way, you can paint incredible scenes and convert. How this tool works, I will explain you in short. It uses AI, that is artificial intelligence technology and deep learning model. This app focuses on nature elements like land, sea. This is all about the Nvidia tool. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment down below to share your views. I would really appreciate it. Click the red button to subscribe my channel.